What is Python? Python is a popular programming language that can be used to build various types of applications, which includes desktop, web, games. Python can also be used in data science and in machine learning. What is Java? Java is a programming language that developers use to create various types of applications, which includes banking, retail, Android apps, stock market, and so on. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a scripting or programming language that can be used in most web applications. It also can be used on desktops and on servers. What you should know before you take the course: you should have a basic working knowledge of using a computer and a basic working knowledge of using the internet. Who should take this course? This course is ideal for beginners to Python, beginners to Java, and beginners to JavaScript. Also beginners to programming and web development. Here are some of the things you will learn on the course. So we'll set up a Python development environment by installing Python. We'll create a project directory. We'll create and activate a virtual environment. We'll also create a basic Python project. We will also create a JavaScript project. We'll set up a Java development environment and also create a Java project. The format of the course is video-based, and the course duration is approximately 2 hours long. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.